Welcome back to another educational content. This is Simplified Forex Classroom, where we break down the complicated. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to talk about the master candle trading strategy, which most professional traders use to trade the market. It is very simple. Just take your time, watch the video to the end if you want to understand. Master candle is the strong momentum candle that covers the next 4 candles. Okay, it covers the next 4 or 5 candles. So in this case, this candle here is what we call the master candle. Why? Because it is covering these candles here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the master candle is covering all the 5 candles here, and this candles here is what we call the child candle. Okay, so this one is the master candle, and the one below it or next to it is the master candle. So why are we saying it's a master candle, or how will you see if this master candle is valid? First of all, you need to make sure that the master candle is covering all the candles next to it. You can see the low here and the high here is above the candles next to it. That makes this candle here a strong master candle. Okay, so now that we know how to identify master candle, let's talk about how to approach and trade it on the chart. Now this is how to approach and trade the master candle. We know the direction of the market already to be bullish. First of all, that is what you need to identify, the direction of the market to be bullish. Okay, so you identify the master candle in the chart, you identify it to be this one. So what you need to do is you mark the high of the master candle like this, and then you mark the low of the master candle like this. Okay, so what you are looking for is a breakout to the upside, because this is a bullish master candle. Okay, so a breakout of the master candle is what you are looking for. In this case, this one, the breakout happened here, so you put your buy here. So you take your buy when the breakout happen. You need to wait for the candle to close, then you take your buy from there. Your stop loss should be below the master candle here like this, and you target 1:1 or 1:2. In this case, like this, you know. So this is how you're gonna do 1:1 or 1:2. So the breakout happen in this case, this place. So you take your trade when this candle close like this, and this place will be your SL. That is below here will be your stop loss. That is your SL. And your TP should be 1:2 or 1:1. Remember, this is a quick scalp, so you need to be in and out of the market. This is something you don't need to do if you are trading the master candle system. Now we have this one to be master candle because the next 4 candles is very small. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see. But what happened? This one, the breakout happened on the downside. You can see it's a bullish candle, so we want the breakout to happen in the upside, you know, to the upside. But this one, the breakout happened down below. So we didn't take this one. This one is invalid master candle because the breakout happened down below here. We want the breakout to happen upwards so that you can take the trade to the direction that price is going. Our next bullish example is here. We have this strong master candle here. This candle here is a master candle. Why am I saying that? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and the master candle is engulfing all of them. They are within, the master candle. So what you need to do is to mark the high of the master candle like this, and then mark the low of the master candle like this. So we want to see the breakout to the upside, and you take the trade. In this case, the breakout happened here, so you take that trade from there. Stop loss below the master candle, then you target 1:1 or 1:2. You see, so remember this is a scalp, so you need to be in and out of the market. So your stop loss will be here, so this will be your entry. This is going to be your entry, and this place is going to be your SL, and your TP is going to be somewhere here. That is 1:2. TP2 can be here, and your TP1 can be somewhere here. That is 1:1 can be your TP1. Now let's look out, for example, for the bearish master candle. So our first example for the bearish move is here. We have this master candle here covering all the 4 or 5 candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the master candle is covering them all. Now we draw the line to the top and then down below here. You are expecting a breakout to the downside. Okay, the breakout should be closed. The breakout should close below the candle. You can see it pushed up here trying to break but didn't break. Push down here, break and close here. Okay, so this area is where you take your sell. The stop loss should be down below here, and target 1:1 or 1:2, and you can see price did the same thing, hit TP right here. Okay, so this one, your stop loss, this is going to be your SL, and this place is going to be your entry, and your TP is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so this is example 1 for the sell trade. Now watch here, this is the last example, and you're going to learn something from here. Look at how strong this master candle is. This is a strong master candle covering all these candles here. So when you take this one, you are looking for the breakout to happen down below. And in this case, the breakout happening down below here. So because this one is very strong, if you take yourself from here, what you want to do is you put your stop loss in the middle of this one, like this. Okay, then you make sure you target 1:1. This one you target 1:1 when it happens like this. 1:1, because your stop loss is in the middle of price and this master candle is very, very strong. So you target 1:1 and your TP will be hit, then you're out. So in this case, your SL will be somewhere here in the middle of price and your entry will be here and your TP will be somewhere here. So this is how to apply the master candle trading system. If you are interested in more trading strategy videos, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, like the video. If you have any question, let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.